Right. Do you have a fucked armchair rest? Does it need repairing? No, right, so quick easy fix today. Yeah, that's like. And the other thing is with this, where it's broken, it gets to a certain point and it just don't want to go anymore. That's like this little adjuster here.
Yeah.
Just goes really solid and stiff. So I'm going to try and replace the metal brackets that are in here. I've got some new ones. Where are they here? Oh, nuts and bolts, nuts and bolts. Here we go, one of these. Apparently, this is what all it's going to take to fix it. I have no idea. I don't know, mate. I'm just winging it. So much for an instructional video. How do you do this? Oh, I don't know. I'm presuming this cap comes out like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, we've got a hand key in there. Well, it's not that size. That's loose. What size is that then? Is that the 5mm, I think? Ooh, that feels really nice. That is proper rough. You coming out there, mate? You coming out? You just turning, spinning. What are you doing? It feels like I'm not doing. Oh no, I think it is coming out. It just must be long.
One of them really long threaded ones.
Yeah, it's really long, just like my dick. If you got a long dick, smash that thumbs up like button. For all you big dick boys. This is failing at the moment. What's going on then? Well, it's like loose. No, it can't be that long. Why aren't you coming out then? Must be just spinning inside. And there's me thinking this is just going to be like a 2-minute job. Half hour later, still struggling with it. What are you doing? The thing is, you can't even see what's going on in there. I can see what's broken. Put some tension on it, see if that helps. It seems to be doing. Something's got to be twisting, isn't it?
Mm.
Something ain't right. I feel like just fucking pulling the whole arm off. Oh, this is not going to plan. There's me going, oh yeah, I'll be able to do that. Yeah, 2-second job, mate.
3 hours later. 3 hours later.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, do you know what? I think we'll come back to it once we get this off, but it's got to come off somehow. I'm not just going to let you watch here just fucking doing this. Right. So it's just got a fucking nut in there, which was just spinning round. It's not connected to nothing, which is definitely going to make it more interesting trying to put the arm back on. Personally, I'd say don't bother repairing it, just get a new fucking seat. Right, so this is the new cap that I got, these end plates to fix it. So there's a little groove up here, which it goes in like that way, it goes in there like that. Under like that. But what makes this so great is this actual seat. The armrest is so mashed up. Look at that. It should be have one of them both sides. That's completely snapped off. So I don't know where that's gone. I'm just going to bodge it on anyway. And that'll have to do for now until I can get some decent decent seats. That is annoying. Like, I should say, bare annoying. Oh, let's try and line this bloody nut up. Oh, this is going to be long. Right. Oh, mate. I could be here for a while, so I'll let you know. We'll get back to you on this one. Mate, I think that's it. That was hassle. At least it wasn't 3 hours later. It was hassle though. But it's not loose anymore. It goes up and down. Yeah, that's working now. Sweet. Cool, and then we'll just put the cap on and we'll leave that. Okay, job done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button.